Chatting about gossip refers to chatting about other people's private affairs, such as scandals in the entertainment industry and other gossip. But in Chinese, why is it represented by the ancient Bagua? The Book of Changes is devoted to explaining the phenomena of Bagua. Bagua can represent all things and phenomena in the world. Therefore, studying these eight models of Bagua will help us understand everything in the world. Each Bagua is a figure composed of three stacked horizontal lines, and each line is either yin or yang. When two lines overlap, they form four symbols, which represent the four seasons of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The four symbols are then combined with yin-yao or yang-yao to form the Bagua. Bagua are 乾坤正巽坎离艮兑 respectively. When two Bagua overlap, A multiplied by A will produce 64 hexagrams, so 64 hexagrams can evolve through the A trigrams. All kinds of stories about everything in the universe can be summarized in the 64 hexagrams. To explain these 64 hexagrams, there are six ways to analyze. The first matter is the relationship between the line of each hexagram and its upper and lower line, which represents the environment in which this line is located. The second method is to look at the relationship between the same positions in the upper and lower Bagua, which represent the direction pursued by this line. The third method is that all the lines in the hexagram change from yin to yang and yang to yin, forming a new hexagram. It means that when the current behavior is wrong, you can turn the wrong into the right by thinking in reverse. For example, the hexagram Qian and Kun are this kind of change for each other. The hexagram Qian is the sky and the hexagram Kun is the earth. The positions of the two are completely different. If you change your seat, you should change your hand. The fourth method is to reverse the upper and lower hexagrams and form a new hexagram, which reflects the cause and effect relationship of things. That is, the current cause can be used to predict the future result. For example, the loss hexagram and the benefit hexagram is this kind of change for each other. The loss hexagram represents loss, and the benefit hexagram represents benefit. It means that in order to reap benefits, there must first be losses, and the gains and losses are cause and effect for each other. The fifth method is to take the second, third, and the fourth lines, and the third, fourth, and the fifth lines in the middle of the original hexagram, and form another hexagram to represent the development process of the original hexagram. For example, Go is this kind of change for Xian. Xian means that you have feelings, and Go means unexpected encounter, which means that you will encounter something or someone first, and then you will have that feeling. The sixth measure is that one of the six lines change from yin to yang, or from yang to yin, resulting in another new hexagram, which represents the result of the original hexagram after something changed. Through this complex relationships and changes. Setting for grounds can develop countless phenomena, and a slight change can cause the butterfly effect. Therefore, Confucius wrote in Book of Changes, be able to understand the changes and the mystery of the hexagrams. We can understand everything in the world. If it is not the supreme change of the world, how can it be achieved? Bagua has three meanings: simple, non-change, and change. The first simple refers to the yin and the yang principle of the Bagua, which can be seen everywhere in human society and nature. There is no mystery or complexity. Yang represents man or male animal, and yin represents woman or female animal. Even the most advanced computers run on ones and zeros, are the shapes of one and zero, similar to yang yao and yin yao. The second non-change refers to the fact that the sky is above and the earth is below, and the subordination and the kinship relationship in the world, as well as the natural nature of fire being dry and the water being wet, are all internal. The third change means that nothing in the world remains unchanged. To learn Bagua, you need to understand and apply change. The essence of Bagua lies in change. Because of the changes of the four seasons, the world has color. If human relationships remain rigid and unchanged, it will be difficult for groups and families to maintain in the long term. Such complicated relationships and changes represent the gossip